dogs are healthy, vegan dogs are happy, vegan dogs can thrive. Vegan dogs are healthy, vegan dogs are happy, so why pay for murder? Keep all the animals alive.
Good boy, Max. Hello, everybody. This is Max. Max is Bella's friend. That's Bella over there. And they have been playing together at Bella's grandmother's house. That's Rita over there. And she doesn't hear that well. She's 81 years old and she speaks French and Italian. But she likes to hang out here with the dogs when they wrestle on this carpet. They're just taking a little break now. They were outside before, running around in the new snow. And now, as you can see, they're kind of pooped out. Max is about 1.5 years old, and Bella is 7 years old. Yes, Max, I know. You want me to throw the ball? Okay. Ready? Go on, you can go get it. Good boy, Max. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, you dropped it? You dropped it? Okay. You want me to throw it again, or are you too tired? Yeah, too tired. Oh, there it goes. It's okay. You don't have to get it. You can rest if you want. So Bella's chewing a vegan type bone there. She's just getting a little workout on her teeth. And what's the matter, Max? You got nothing? You got nothing to chew? Is that it? Well, you don't seem to be too upset. Tail's wagging. All right, I'm going back to my chair over here. I'm just gonna hang out with you guys. Some people have been asking about you. You can rest, Max. You can lie down. So Max has a little sleep in his cage every afternoon in his, I guess you call it a kennel, his home. So Max doesn't live here. Max is the one standing up. Max is Bella's good friend, and he's trying to engage her now. He's like, okay, you've been chewing long enough. Can I chew this bone for a while? He's like, and Bella's like, Mom, buzz off. That's mine. Max is just always happy to come over. Hi, Max. Max, you're very big now, though. Max, I think you gained a couple of pounds since I last saw you. Yeah, you look bigger. You look big. All right. That's okay. And what are you doing? No. That's not for you to eat. That's the dishcloth. No, je l'ai mis ici. Je l'ai mis là. Il a pas mangé. She's worried that he ate the cloth. No, because you shouldn't be eating the cloth. No. She's trying to tell him in French not to eat, but I don't know if he speaks French. Well, he's gonna try. He's gonna see if he can get away with taking Bella's bone. Bella's like, what? Well, she's maybe gonna let him do it. You gonna have a little rest, Bella? That's nice of you to share. Okay, Max, you just stay down, okay? Can't jump on me every time. And yes, I do love you. Yes, I do. Yes, you're sweet. Okay. Yes, you're a good boy. Max, you're a good boy. Scratch. Scratch. Pat. There you go. Okay? Bella too? Bella too? She's trying to get to me. What is it, Bella? Okay, go get some water. Did he leave you any? So, Bella has been vegan since August 2017. And as you can see, she's just a normal 7-year-old dog. You haven't seen her play here, but she usually runs in the golf course with all her friends. And she did run in the snow with Max. So this is kind of more downtime. She drinks like a normal dog. She pees like a normal dog. She poos like a normal dog. And her vets have confirmed that she is 100% healthy. Her blood work is good. And everything about her is completely normal. Oh, I feel somebody on the chair with me. Oh, this is Rita's place, so she gets to decide. Oh, no. Oh, what did you do? What are you getting? No. She doesn't want you to take that. What is that? C'est quoi ça, Rita?
Non, je sais pas. Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Oh, c'est une roche. What's that?
Bravo, Max. Lech. Bravo, bravo.
Max is a bit of a
Tu veux le-
a little
tu vas le
devil.
manger.
Oh, she doesn't want him to eat it because apparently he eats cardboard here.
Bravo, bravo.
Okay, Max.
Bravo.
Yeah,
Tu
good
es
boy,
bien,
good
tu
boy,
es bien.
Max.
Bravo.
Yeah, you don't take that. No, no, no.
No, Max.
Come down if
Viens,
you're going to eat
viens
stuff.
ici. Tête, Max.
Okay.
Viens. Là, viens. Viens, Max.
Max. Max is just such a big, big knucklehead. He's a big, big baby. He's a cutie patootie. But he really is just still, it's almost like he still hasn't grown into his body. When he comes over, he just jumps on every couch, on every bed, and just grabs every dish towel and runs all over the place. He grabs every stuffed animal. He just, nope, Max, nope. You see? Max is, maybe Max will have to go home soon if he keeps this up. I think he's just a bit bored. But I don't know. He can play with the, you can play with the bone, right, Bella? You let him play with the bone if he wants to? Yes or no? Hey? Yeah. Yes, Bella. Yes, yes, I love you.
Bravo, Max.
Bella's a good girl. Oh God, he got hold of another one. Rita absolutely loves dogs. Now Rita has been vegan herself as long as Bella, since August 2017. And Rita's also very healthy. She is 81 years old and she stopped taking her cardiac medication. She has lost a bit of weight and she is doing great. She eats every single morning chia seeds mixed with flax seeds in some warm water as a kind of a base to start the day. And she has that also at the end of the day to make sure she gets her omega-3s and omega-6s. And she also eats lentils and chickpeas and asparagus. She's allergic to gluten, so she doesn't eat that. And she's also allergic to tofu, so she doesn't have that, and nothing soy. Rita, qu'est-ce que tu as mangé aujourd'hui? Down, Max. Max, sit. Max, sit. Good boy, Max. Stay. Qu'est-ce que tu as mangé aujourd'hui? She says she doesn't remember what she ate. Max. No, Max. Down. Come here. Go down. Go down. Go down. No, go down. Good boy. Okay. No more. Okay, I'm gonna sit in your chair. Well, it's not your chair, actually. It's Bella's chair. Tu as mangé quoi?
J'ai mangé des lentilles.
Des lentilles. So she ate lentils.
Avec des choux-fleurs.
Chou-fleur. Okay, that is
Des épinards aussi.
okay. Épinard is spinach.
Et les betteraves.
Chou-fleur is cauliflower and betterave is beets. Okay. Très
Et
bien.
après, j'ai mangé un fruit parce que...
Quel fruit est-ce que tu as mangé?
Des oranges et des bananes.
Oranges. Okay, so she had oranges. She had bananas. What are you doing back there, Max? What are you licking now? What is that? A yoga mat? Est-ce que tu as pris un café ce matin?
Oui, mais je le fais très faible.
Okay. Parce que tu as pas dormi beaucoup hier. Okay. So she's trying to cut down on her coffee because she said yesterday that she was having a bit of a hard time sleeping, so she thought maybe she should cut down. Hey, Bella. Bella, are you ready for me to take Max home now? Is that what you want? Hey, you've had enough of Max?
Bien. Oh, bravo.
Bella's face. She really loves playing with Max, but after a while, I think she's just like, okay.
No, bien.
He's just he just doesn't understand house rules. He's just, she just looks at him like, why are you jumping on all these things? Or why are you trying to eat stuff like that we don't eat at this house? It's like she doesn't really understand him. He's just like, oh my goodness, I'm going to get to eat a Kleenex box. I think she's giving me a Kleenex box. That's what he's thinking. Oh my God. Uh-oh. Mais non, je pense que tu dois pas lui donner. Il y a du plastique là, non? Est-ce qu'il y a du plastique? I think she's trying to be nice, but to give him a toy, but I think there's some plastic on there. Oh, good luck. I think we're gonna have to give him a little treat, something to eat to get him to get rid of that. Oh, did she get it? Okay, okay, good. Oui, il y a du plastique. She didn't realize that there's plastic on there. She thought he would just have fun walking around and chewing it, but unfortunately, I think he just eats stuff that he's not supposed to. Anyway, this is our life. This is Rita, who is grandmother to Bella. Rita is my mother-in-law, my husband's. Je pense que c'est pas bon pour lui de manger le carton. No. No. She wants to give it to him. Je pense pas, no. Okay, maybe we'll just let them outside again. So this is the way to outside. I think he looks like he wants to go and run outside for a little while. So I'm going to say goodbye to you guys. Thanks for visiting our little family here. We are at Rita's apartment. Rita lives underneath us. We share a house, and this is her own apartment down here. And yeah, it might be time to let them outside for a little while. Or are they going to wrestle again? I don't know. Anyway, this is just a reminder that if dogs can be vegan, you can be vegan too. Just get dogs healthy vegan kibble. It looks just like normal dog food, except it doesn't contain any dead animal body parts. No eggs, no milk, no cheese, no meat. And when it's time for you to be vegan, you can go to howdoigovegan.com and you can find that. Just memorize this little song.
Go to howdoigovegan.com, sing it with me. Howdoigovegan.com, sing it again. Howdoigovegan.com, sing it with me. Howdoigovegan.com.
Yeah, so that's what you do. If you want to figure out how to become vegan and you want all of your questions answered, you can go there. If you want to get some recipes, just Google healthy vegan recipes. You can also Google vegan athletes. You can also watch the following documentaries. I'll just tell you quickly. I've mentioned them many times, but here they are. Dominion Movement. Make sure you watch that. It's a full-length documentary. And you can also watch Cowspiracy, which will teach you all the terrible things that society does to the cows and the baby cows. Okay, I think my daughter's calling, so I'm going to let you guys go. All right, I'll see you later. Bye for now.
Go veg yourself, stop hurting animals. Go vegan, go veg yourself, stop hurting animals. Go vegan. Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now. Let's